Hey, just a quick reminder, we're still giving away the Buzz Cooks kitchen towel. Embroidered, beautiful towel. All you have to do is like, share, subscribe, and make sure you leave a comment because after each video, we're going to randomly pick a winner from the comment section and we'll contact you and mail it out to you. So good luck. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I came across a recipe the other day called Mardi Gras Shrimp. It was amazing. So we're going to do it again here today. This is so good. We got all the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. So this is one that you can do a whole platter of at a party and everybody's going to enjoy it. Mardi Gras Shrimp, we're doing it next. Stick around. All right, let's get started on this amazing dish. First, we got some fresh sourdough bread that I got from the store. And we're going to cut this into about a little bit, maybe bigger than 1-inch slices. I'm going to do 4 slices, depending on how many people you're going to feed. Then we're going to get some extra virgin high quality olive oil. And we're going to brush one side of the bread. Now once we have the bread coated, depending on what you have, either Parmesan or I'm using actually Romano cheese. And I'm just going to grate some cheese over the top of each slice of bread. And once I have that coated, we're going to put them onto a cookie sheet. And I've got my oven on broil. And we're just going to toss these under the broiler until they're nice and toasty. About 4 or 5 minutes. And this is what you're looking for right here. Perfect. Okay, we'll set those to the side. And now it's time to start working on our shrimp. Alright, so we're going to take off those shells, set them on some paper towel to dry. These were frozen, so I just put them in a bowl with some cold water, and they defrosted pretty quick. But like I said, these are jumbo. I think they're 16, 13 to the pound. You can use smaller if you like, it doesn't really matter. I just like the bigger ones. So once we have all of our shrimp cleaned up, we're going to set those to the side. And I've got 2 small bunches of green onions that I'm just going to roughly chop. And we'll put 3/4 in a bowl and we'll reserve about 1/4 of that green onion for the end when we go to plate. Now I've got my stainless steel pan out. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of olive oil in there. Turn the heat to medium high. Once the heat gets up, I'm going to start to place my shrimp into the pan. And shrimp cook pretty fast, so we'll probably do about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until they're nice and white. You'll see right here as we flip it, that's the color we're looking for. Now we'll just get that on the other side. And our shrimp will be done. And then we'll remove the shrimp and work on our amazing Mardi Gras Cajun sauce. So that's about done there. So let's start pulling these out. And I always, whenever I take shrimp or chicken or anything out that I'm going to let sit for a few minutes while I work on the sauce, I always pop it in the microwave above my head. It keeps everything nice and warm. Alright, so let's add about a 1/2 cup of cooking sherry. If you don't have cooking sherry, you can use white wine. If you don't have white wine, you can use chicken broth. Then I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced up. And we're going to start to cook that garlic. And while that's cooking, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family all about us, and leave a comment if you can, and hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Alright, next we added some Worcestershire sauce, about 4 or 5 splashes, and depending on how hot you like your Cajun sauce, you anywhere between 4 to 6 splashes of Tabasco sauce. Next we're going to add about 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper and give that a good mix. Now we're going to add those green onions that we reserved earlier and start to cook those down a little bit. All the while this is starting to thicken up and reduce. Now I've got 1 stick of butter that we're going to add that I've chopped up into slices, help it melt faster. And this will really help us thicken up the sauce as well. And once this butter melts down, we're going to add some salt and pepper to the dish. And then lastly, 2 good tablespoons of sweet paprika. And we'll let this cook for a few minutes. It'll start to thicken up. Then we're going to add our shrimp back to the dish. And we'll let those heat up. We'll turn them once. And then it'll be time to plate and serve with your Parmesan or Romano toasted bread. You have got an amazing dish called Mardi Gras Shrimp. Good for any party, good for any dinner. It's just fantastic. Make this, the whole family will love it, and you'll be the hit at the next party. Alright, we'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.